Hello everyone, this is Case Lynch, GrabCAD Community Manager, and these are the release notes for GrabCAD Print 1.32. First, Mesh Repair Improvements. Analysis Mode can now repair VRML and OBJ files with vertex colors, and the repair of files with face colors and textures have been improved. Next, we have Revised Print Settings panel. The Print Settings panel has been split into 3 different panels: Tray Settings, Model Settings, and Support Settings. We have also added new icons on the right toolbar to better illustrate each tool's function. Next, we have Print Opaque Models with Vivid Materials. Users can now print base materials, digital materials, and colors with an opaque or translucent appearance using Vivid Materials. Opaque appearance is achieved by printing models with a core made of Vero materials, coated with the selected Vivid model material. This is done automatically when Vivid materials are selected. If translucent is selected in the Print Settings panel, models are printed without the Vero core. The translucence of the printed model varies according to the amount of Vivid material selected. Next, we have some updates for you. First, transparent display of flexible models. When Agilus 30 Clear is selected as your material, GrabCAD Print displays your model as a transparency level associated with the Shore A hardness value. And lastly, we have Fix FDM Part Build Issue. An issue printing when there are multiple models on a tray is resolved. Depending on the order in which parts are added to the tray, a sacrificial tower is created using the wrong slice height. This resulted in an unexpected pause mid-print on 400 MC, 900 MC, and F900, which cannot be resumed, and resulted in failed builds on the F123 printers. GrabCAD Print has been updated to fix this issue. And that is all what we have for you today in GrabCAD Print 1.32 release notes. My name is Case Lynch, GrabCAD Community Manager. Thank you so much for watching.